Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends, you are watching CSC Guide official YouTube channel and cscguideofficial.com website. Today I will tell you about one university Chinese government scholarship. So let's start. Must type CSC Guide official in Google and click on the first link. When you click on the first link, you can come on our website and you can see everything which you want, you can get here. Okay, now today we discuss a lot of universities have started CSC scholarship, so we discuss Guizhou University. Okay, when you click here, you can see the advertisement of this university. This authority is Chinese government scholarship, Guizhou University, and this is for undergraduate, PhD, master and PhD students, fully funded. 2,500 RMB for RMB for undergraduates, 3,000 RMB for masters, and 3,500 RMB for PhD. Okay, online apply and then send documents to the university, and the deadline is 20th of April 2020. Confirmed. I am a little bit confused about that because when I open the university, then the advertisement shown is previous year. When I saw this, and I sent an email to the university and asked about this 2020 scholarship admission, then university told me that yes, the scholarship has been started, and the deadline is April 2020. So that's why I type confirmed here. So eligibility criteria is all international students can apply. Age limits you can see: undergraduate for undergraduate 25 years, and for master student 35, and for PhD 40 years. Okay, you can apply with English proficiency certificates. IELTS is not mandatory. Okay, now how to apply for this scholarship. So first you fill the CSC online application form. Click here and go to the CSC online application portal, and how you fill this form, click here. Okay, after when you filling the form, upload all required documents on CSC portal. No application fee. Result will be announced at the end of July. And when you fill this form and prepare your all documents, then send documents to the university address. Okay, if you want to apply for Guanxi government full scholarship for Asian students, you can click here. Okay, now which documents required for this scholarship? All 2 sets of hard copies required for this scholarship, means in duplicate in following order. The order you can see, must prepare your documents according to this order. Okay, for how you CSC, when you fill the CSC online application form, a form will be downloaded, and download this form. When you fill the form, use this agency number for this scholarship, for this university scholarship. Passport size passport photocopy with passport size photos, means 3 passport size photos also required for this scholarship documents. Okay, transcript of highest education, highest degree certificate, notarized copy, and study plan, research proposal not minimum of 1800 words. Art students applicants must provide the CD of your own work, and physical examination form, photocopy, 2 recommendation letters from professor or associate professor, but not from assistant or lecturer or assistant professor. Okay, English proficiency certificate. Site is not mandatory. If you have any HSK certificate, then attach with HSK certificate. Okay, what is the mailing address? This is the mailing address in which you send your documents, and this is the email address. Okay, hope so you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe our YouTube channel and visit our cscguideofficial.com website. Good luck and take care of you. Stay connected with us.